Empathy. Yesterday, I told you one story about the pup and how that man didn't want to sell that pup because he didn't have one leg. But the boy insisted and he bought that pup only which had one leg less. But at the same time, he paid for it and took it home. The reason being nothing, which I had cleared it, that he was also one-legged boy. Today I am telling you another story that stresses upon empathy. A teacher was walking and few students were with the teacher. At one place, they saw a pair of shoes and a coat kept at one side, and there was a man who was working in the field. Now you know the habit of students, they wanted to play a prank with him. They wanted to hide his both the shoes and the coat so that when he came back, how would he react when he finds that his shoes as well as his coat both were missing. They told this to the teacher, but the teacher stopped them. They said, he said that don't play a prank that will hit the sentiment of anybody and make anybody sad. Instead of it, play some other prank because the condition of the shoes looked as if they were very old. So these boys, what they did, in one of the shoes, they put one coin. In another shoe, they put another coin. And the boys were hiding behind the bushes to see the reaction of that man. That man, as he came out, he first wore the coat, and while wearing the coat, he was trying to put his one foot in the shoes, but he felt something was there. He saw and took out. He saw a coin. He was surprised, excited, and to be honest, that he was happy also about it. When he wanted to wear the second shoe, that time again he found another coin. He took both the coins and everybody could see happiness on his face. He was a poor guy and getting two coins, he looked all around and found none there. No one was there. After that, he took both the coins in his hand, knelt down there only and thanked God for giving these two coins so that he could buy something more for his sick wife. The boys saw that there was a glow on his face. When he went away, the teacher explained both about the first prank what they had planned and the second one. And then the boys understood that if you are playing a prank also with anyone, don't play that hurts them, but do something that gives a smile on their face. This is one of the stories of empathy. Could you all understand this story? Yeah, children, did you all understand the story?